Let us see few examples. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, -1, -4, 6, and -3, -5. Let us see the answer for it. Let A, 1, -1, B, -4, 6, C, -3, -5, be the vertices of the triangle. We know that area of triangle BC1 is divided by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Assuming x1, y1 as 1, -1, x2, y2 as -4, 6, and x3, y3 as -3, -5, and substituting in the area of triangle formula, we have area of a triangle equals 1 is divided by 2 into 1 into 6 minus -5 plus -4 into -5 minus -1 plus -3 into -1 minus 6. This implies that 1 is divided by 2 into 1 into 11 plus -4 into -4 plus -3 into -7. This implies that 1 is divided by 2 into 11 plus 16 plus 21. This implies that 48 is divided by 2. This implies that 24 units. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equals 24 units. Now let us see another example. Find the value of K, for which the points are collinear. 7, -2, 5, 1, 3, minus K. Let us see the answer. If all 3 points lies on same line, then they are said to be collinear. For collinear points, area of triangle formed by them is 0. Let A of x1, y1 as 7, -2, B, x2, y2 as 5, 1, C, x3, y3 as 3, minus K, be the vertices of a triangle. Then, area of triangle BC, that is, 1 is divided by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. On substituting the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, we have 1 is divided by 2 into 7 into 1 minus K plus 5 into K minus -2 plus 3 into -2 minus 1 equals 0. This implies that 7 minus 7K plus 5K plus 10 minus 9 equals 0. This implies that -2K plus 8 equals 0. This implies that 2K equals 8. Therefore K equals 4. Let us take another example. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1, and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Let us see the solution now. Let the vertices of the triangle be A, 0, -1, B, 2, 1, C, 0, 3. Let D, E, F be the midpoints of the sides of this triangle. Then coordinates of D, E, and F can be found by the midpoint formula for x1, y1, x2, y2, as x1 plus x2 is divided by 2, y1 plus y2 is divided by 2. D is the midpoint of A and B, therefore substituting the values in midpoint formula, we have midpoint D equals 0 plus 2 is divided by 2 minus 1 plus 1 is divided by 2 equals 1, 0. E is the midpoint of A and C, therefore substituting the values in midpoint formula, we have midpoint E equals 0 plus 0 is divided by 2, 3 minus 1 is divided by 2 equals 0, 1. F is the midpoint of B and C, therefore substituting the values in midpoint formula, we have midpoint F equals 2 plus 0 is divided by 2, 1 plus 3 is divided by 2 equals 1, 2. A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2, C of x3, y3 are vertices of a triangle. Now the area of the triangle formed by D, 1, 0, E, 0, 1, F, 1, 2 as vertices is. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 is divided by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. On substituting the values of x1 equals 1, x2 equals 0, y1 equals 0, y2 equals 1, x3 equals 1, y3 equals 2, in the area of the triangle formula we have. Area of triangle DEF equals 1 is divided by 2 into 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2. This implies that equals 1 is divided by 2 into 1 plus 0. This implies that equals 2 is divided by 2. This is equal to 1 unit. Now the area of the triangle formed by A, 0, minus 1, B, 2, 1, C, 0, 3 as vertices is. Area of triangle BC is equal to 1 is divided by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. On substituting x1 equals 0, x2 equals 2, y1 equals minus 1, y2 equals 1, x3 equals 0, y3 equals 3 values in the area of the triangle formula, we have. Triangle ABC equals 1 is divided by 2 into 0 into 1 minus 3, plus 2 into 3 minus 1, plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1. Equals 1 is divided by 2 into 0 plus 2 into 4, plus 0. Equals 1 is divided by 2 into 8. Equals 4 units. Therefore ratios of areas of triangle ABC and triangle DEF is equal to 1:4.